I have sushi. This is one of my favorite sushi spots ever, Mikuni. Look at that roll. I got Shituro Nigiri, and I got the Carmichael roll. And I got my favorite, these tuna bombs with avocado and fried scallop pieces on top. It is so good. Let's start with the Carmichael roll. Some soy sauce. Oh yeah, some eel sauce. All their rolls are so good. The nigiri. That is so insane. That is melts in your mouth. I love any roll that has tuna. Tuna is my favorite fish. Wow. One of my favorite things on their menu, dipped in soy. $20 out of 10.
50 out of 10.
50 out of 10. Guys, I wish you could taste this. It's from Mikuni in Sacramento. Okay, I'm gonna take one more bite with a little bit of spicy mayo. So freaking good.
Oh my God.
10 out of 10. Everything here.
It's almost the best sushi I've ever had.
10 out of 10.